Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we'll be formulating a design. In this series of video clips, we're going to be designing a raised desk for a computer lab. Now, it's going to be raised up 40 inches, which is about 10 inches higher than a typical desk. Our overall width is going to be 6 feet, and our overall depth is going to be 30 inches. Now, by having our width at 6 feet, it allows us to put a computer workstation here. It allows us to have maybe a laptop docking station next to it, and then still have plenty of room to do some work. Because our width, again, is 6 feet, if we were to just put maybe one sheet of plywood for the top, it might have a tendency to sag or bow in the middle because of all the weight of the equipment on the top. So when we design our top, we're going to actually be putting multiple layers of plywood just to sturdy that up quite a bit. In addition, we're going to be adding some nice little features. We're going to be installing some electrical boxes in the legs so we can run all of our wires through the leg into the tabletop so you can't see those exposed wires running all over the place. And lastly, we're also going to be making a keyboard tray here for our desktop unit. We'll be able to slide that keyboard in and give us just a little bit more desktop area to work on.